Google is a sophisticated advertising platform offering various advertising formats that suits different advertising goals. Your choice of campaign will be determined by your marketing goals, brand strategy, and how much time you have available to manage campaigns. There are 8 main types of Google campaigns: search, display, video, shopping, app, local, performance max, and discovery. Search campaigns are text ads which appear on the Google search results page and target users while they are searching on Google. These campaigns are suitable for driving sales, leads, or traffic to your website, as your ads are displayed to people while they are searching for products and services. The main benefits of search campaigns are as follows. Sales. They're great for driving traffic to your website, generating sales or leads. They're really easy to set up. Text ads don't require any imagery. You simply write the ads and pick the keywords to target your ads. They're also highly targeted. You can reach people when they are searching for your products and services. If we do a search for loans, the first 4 spots on the page are text ads. This is the title and this is the description for the ad. More text ads will also appear at the bottom of the page. Display ads target a relevant audience with visual ads as they visit millions of websites, apps, and Google-owned properties, including YouTube. These campaigns are a great way to expand your reach beyond Google search. Display ads can also use your customer data to show ads to people who have visited your website or have used your app. Display campaigns have the following benefits. Sales. Use a visually engaging call to action to drive sales and sign-ups. Awareness and consideration. Create striking ads to boost brand awareness. Reach. Target customers outside the search results when they are browsing websites and apps. Retargeting. Advertise to people who have previously viewed your ads or visited your site. These are people who have already displayed an interest in your business and therefore are more likely to convert in future. Here is an example of a Google display ad from the site Price Runner. On the left-hand side here is an advert for a Google Pixel phone. You can see that this is a Google advert. If we click on this, we can see that it's ads by Google. Video campaigns display video ads on YouTube and other domains. Video campaigns can be used to boost general awareness of your brand and also drive conversions or traffic. The benefits of video campaigns are as follows. Awareness and consideration. You can use them to build awareness for your brand. Sales and leads. Use the drive conversions campaign subtype to create action-focused video ads. Expand your reach. Target people while they're on YouTube, which is the world's 2nd largest search engine. Retargeting. Target users who have already seen your ads or visited your site. Users who have already visited your site are likely to already know your brand and therefore will convert at a higher rate. From YouTube, if we click on a video,
This is a
we'll
word
first be
that's
presented
more
with an
than a
ad.
word.
In this case, it's for Airbnb. You can click the book now,
It's our
and
word.
then after a few seconds you can skip the ad. That's just one of the various ad formats available on YouTube. Shopping campaigns are product listing ads. This format is ideal for retailers looking to sell product inventory. Shopping ads are shown on the Google search results page and also the shopping tab. The benefits of shopping campaigns are as follows. Visual merchandising. Use engaging product listings to promote your retail products. Generate sales. Drive traffic to your online shop. For physical products, shopping ads have a far higher conversion rate than search ads. Advertise your local shop. You can also sell local shop inventory to local people. To create a shopping campaign, you require a Merchant Center account where you can upload your product inventory. Let's look at some product listing ads in action. I'm going to search for Jano Lama. The ads for this product appear at the top of the page and also under the shopping tab. These are adverts as well. App campaigns enable advertisers to reach new app users and boost sales for their apps. This campaign type uses data from your app to optimize adverts across search, play, YouTube, Discover, and over 3 million other sites and apps. With app campaigns, you can promote both your iOS, as in Apple, or Android apps. The benefits of app campaigns are as follows. App promotion. Boost installs, engagements, and sign-ups for your app on mobile devices. Multi-channel marketing. Promote your app on search, display, play, and YouTube under one campaign. Easy setup and management. This campaign features automatic targeting, bidding, and ad creation for optimal performance. Here's some examples of some ad apps. These would only be shown on mobile devices. You can see here it's a link directly to the App Store. Local campaigns drive people to local businesses. Ads appear on search, display, Google Maps, and YouTube. Local campaigns have the following benefits for businesses with a local reach. In real-world store sales, as in physical store sales, promote your physical inventory and bring shoppers into your real-world shops. Promote offers and events. Promote in-store events and local promotions. Detail location info. Help customers find your business address and opening hours. Multi-channel marketing. Show ads on search, display, maps and YouTube under one campaign. To create a local campaign, you need to have active location extensions in your account or have created a business profile connected to Google Ads. Here is an example of a local ad which is showing on Google Maps. As you can see, it shows the location of the business and also information about the business with links to directions and call the business. As you can see from the example, local ads are a great way of advertising to people in the process of searching for local businesses. Smart campaigns are a simple way to automate campaigns and get advertising. All you need to do is enter your business information and create a few ads, and Google uses machine learning to optimize targeting and maximize your return on investment. When you sign up for a smart campaign, you write an ad that describes your business. You're allowed to choose which keyword themes you want to target your ad and set a budget. Your ad will automatically show to potential customers across Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Gmail, and Google Partner websites. Your ad can show when potential customers in your geographic area search for phrases related to your business on Google or Google Maps. The ad can also show for people who are outside the local area, but include terms related to your business as well as your business location in their searches. The benefits of smart campaigns are as follows. Generate sales and leads. Simple setup. Enter your business information and create a few ads. It's just as simple as that. It's very easy for companies that don't have much time or much experience in Google Ads. Advanced optimization. Google does all the work for you. It will optimize your ads and targeting for you. Performance Max is a goal-based campaign type that allows advertisers to access all Google Ads inventory from a single campaign. Performance Max helps drive performance based on your conversion goal using smart bidding to optimize performance in real time. Google does almost all the work for you. All you need to do is create assets for Google to run the campaigns and set your goal. This enables advertisers to spend less time monitoring and optimizing their campaigns and more time working on the quality of their offer and the quality of their site. The benefits of Performance Max are as follows. Simple to set up and fully automated. Performance Max campaigns are easy to set up, and once your campaign is live, they will be optimized automatically. Increased conversions and value. Automation optimizes your budgets and bids to help identify conversion opportunities in real time. Find new customers. Reach new audience segments with relevant ads based on real-time user intent, behavior, and search context analysis. Insights. Performance Max Campaigns Insights page helps you understand how automation is working and how to improve your campaigns. Discovery campaigns enable advertisers to reach up to 3 billion users across Google's feeds. Using Google's audience and customer insight signals, discovery campaigns deliver highly visual, personalized ads experience to users who are ready to discover and engage with your brand. The benefits of discovery campaigns are as follows. Use a single ad campaign to reach more of Google. Reach up to 3 billion users monthly on the YouTube Home and Watch Next feeds, Discover, and the Gmail promotions and social tabs. Drive engagements with rich, relevant ads. Google will use these indicators of customer intent to display relevant ads to users when they're ready to engage with your brand. Display visually rich ads across Google's properties. Discover ads are designed to engage with consumers as they browse their favorite content. The ad layouts use machine learning to combine and display your assets seamlessly across devices, helping spark customer interest and action. Automated bidding. Discovery ads support maximized conversions bidding, target CPA or target ROAS to optimize your campaign bids to meet your media marketing objectives. Here are two examples of discovery ads. We have a YouTube feed and we have the ads on the top. When Google is recommending videos for people to watch, these ads will appear in that feed. On the right-hand side, we have a screenshot of the Google app on an Android phone. On this app, there is a feed called Discover, which shows content which Google thinks will be relevant to the user based on their previous searching history. Here's an example of an ad which would appear in that Discover feed.